thought it was better to wallow and swallow my pride and admit that my life was feeling so hollow and I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist, and I talked through all of my problems till they started to shrink a bit. Well, nothing's easy.
Alright, good evening everyone. Let's all welcome Yasmin, DJ, and Ibarra. So we're going to start here at the first table to take the picture with you.
Ingat pogi! Ingat pogi!
Endurance namin. Hindi dapat kita to eh. Maraming salamat. Sana nabusog kayo. Huwag kayong masakit. We really love you.
Hi po. Are you home? Maraming salamat po, Jeff. Maraming salamat po sa effort na ginawa nyo. Hindi na po kailangan ng gift, pero still, maraming salamat po. Pauwiin na po yung mga tao na nasa likod, yung mga nakaitim, tapos yung isa official announcement. Lloyd, sino yung kasama mo? Lloyd, hindi yan. Yung nasa harapan mong nakaitim na nakasombrero tapos nakasandra. Si Julian ba yan? Ang layo lang napadpad mo. Ayun, maraming salamat po. So much appreciated. Yeah! Ingat po kayo pag-uwi. Sana may magtanong sa inyo din ng karyo. Sana dalas nyo din. Hindi nyo dalas no, deserve. Alam nyo.
Magic sa face. Alam mo ka, be? Di, ang ganda mo, putik ka.
Ang ingay ng bunganga mo. Anong dala mo, Jem? Ano dala yun?
Andiyan na pala si JM eh. Tapos ikaw ang bagal-bagal mo.
Hoy! Nakabukas ko lang ng bento ko.
Kaya nga, ang tagal mo mag-asikaso tapos na rin si Kulit eh.
Nag-delete siya ng makeup niya kanina. Nag-delete ako ng makeup, di ba?
Babog, delete.
Ewan ko dito mga term na ito. Ano na lang sapatos na lang.
Okay, 1, 2, where's the first table? First table. Wala pong tatayo sa next table until hindi po natatapos lahat. Let's do a group selfie para po matapos tayo ng maayos. Go! First table, get in the stand up and form. No. Guys, always remember the rule. We talk about it. Yeah? O, papalabasin na natin yung mga friendship at your card. Okay. 1, 2. Guys, just form your...
Line ka mo di guys. Line.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit po nakatayo yung iba?
And I couldn't handle it. So I called a couple of friends and a caring specialist, and I talked through all of my problems
Yung sarap.
Who's with?
Hi, be!
Guess who's with?
It's
The
with
third wheel. Charis.
me. Pero andito siya. Hi, be!
Mamaya nilipat ako dyan.
Deserve niya yun. Wow. Ano plano mo, be?
Be, nasa exit tayo.
Gagabubok kami pag nagtampo ka. Andito ako nagtatampo sa
Mag-walk out na.
Andito ako sa yung patawid nagtatampo. Ay, ikaw nasa...
Fuck it up. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out. I know it sounds conflicting, but being sad can be addicting. Even when it's awful, still easier than committing. To face you might be missing and do the harder work of fixing all of the broken pieces out of place. Oh, nothing's easy, but you gotta believe me, you'll never truly be alone. It's okay to ask for help. Don't need to fix it all by yourself. It's okay to find a friend to lean on and talk it out. Talk it out. It's okay to ask for help instead of holding on to how you felt. So don't be afraid to go on and reach out.
Once again, the cast of Alice Potter Red Flag, Esther, Johnny Pangilinan, Juan Mariano, and with the PB.
There's nothing to fear. Oh, I know you'll find someone who hears you. Oh, I know you'll find someone who helps you through the day. It'll soon be clear when